friends, thank you for coming back. This is Elaine Marie. This is step number 2. How are you? I hope everybody's doing great. Well, I have my angular brush. I'm going to get some yellow. Dab that right in there. And we're going to do a sun, and we're going to do it halfway here. It's going to go just like this. There you go. There you go. Fill that right in. I hope everybody's enjoying their time painting. Oh boy, I know I am. Alright, let's make sure that that brush is a little wet. Let's come in with some little bit of this white. We're going to mix some white with some yellow here. There you go. Alright, here we go. Again, point down on the angular, bring it up, and then run it right across. There you go. And we have half the sun coming up over the horizon. Beautiful, beautiful. I love working with the angular brush. Okay, that's nice and it's bright. Now what we're going to do, we're dampen our brush out a little bit here. Let's come in with some more of that yellow. Alright, and now we're going to do tip on the left side here. I'm going to come right underneath the horizontal line. Alright, we're going to make the reflection of the sun. There you go. Bring that down like that a little bit. Beautiful. Okay, now I want you to clean out your brush. Now I want you to come in with some dark. Run it through like this to a dark green. Point on the bottom. And we're going to start flickering up. Up, up. There you go. We've done that before. And a couple other of my videos. You just kind of give it a flick. And you're going to dab it with some of the lighter green now. Look how that makes it pop. There you go. Anything light over the dark looks fabulous. Oh, I'm loving it already. There you go. Love it, love it, love it. And I thought we'd do a little bit, let me clean the brush. I'm going to do a little bit of the raw sienna. And I thought we would come in with, looks like doing a little bit with some, a little bit of this on the brown. Well, something different here. And then we're going to run that through again, angular brush. And we're going to come, there you go. We're going to just put a couple of these. Okay, you're just going to flick a couple of the brown in that. Okay. Go a couple different ways. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. There you go, just a little lightly off your fingers there. And on the bottom here we'll get that little brown. Oh, I'm loving it already. Yes, yes. Let's come back with the whisk brush, dab that off. Let's come back in with some of the darker green again. And just lightly go over, just a little bit. So still a little bit of that brown. It's like your part of your tree there. I'm going to bring that down a little bit. And again, the lighter green. And lighter green in here. Look how that just makes the bottom pop right up like that. And I want to show you something else. Let's take a smaller angle. angular brush. Come in with some white. And off of that brown, might want to just go on the very tip. There you go. A little white on top of the brown here. Looks pretty cool. There you go. Just give us some little brightness. There you go. And maybe right on the very top, just the very tip of your angular brush. Okay. There you go. A little bit of that light reflection like that. Oh, that looks great already. Love it, love it. Okay, we'll just dab out some little bit of white through here. And what I might want to do, let's go back, friends, with our small whisk brush. We'll dab some of that white into our lighter green. Boy, that's a nice light. And we'll just go over that white that we just did right there. Oh, that just popped really nice. Let's give it a nice reflection, just right off the edge there. Very lightly. Press down, okay, friends? Very lightly. And right here you can see the brown. Right here, it's part of your tree. And that made that pop really nice. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm loving it already. Gave it some real nice color. Okay. And let's see. So I think that's pretty much what we got today. I'm going to come in with, I'm going to smooth that out with a damp brush to really soften that sun up. Just like that. My brush, little wet. There you go. Soften that up just like that. Right down like that. There you go. Gives it a nice, nice reflection. Friends, I had a wonderful, wonderful time. Please tune back to the next video. I want you to have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Whoop, and let's just round that out a little bit. There you go. I'm loving it. Thank you, friends, so much for tuning in, and can't wait for you to join me in the next video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.